Hey Frankie,
Hi.
what do you got there?
A rat snake.
How long is he?
He is 70 inches.
70 inches long. That's 2 inches shy of
6 foot.
6 foot. Look at that thing. Where was he?
In our chicken nest box.
He's been causing us a lot of grief, hasn't he?
He has several birds.
Yeah. What are we going to do with him?
We're gonna let him go.
Go let him down the road about 40 miles?
Yes, sir.
Alright. He's going to have to find some other chickens and eggs to eat. So. Hey buddy. What a mean snake. Eating all of our birds.
He didn't eat them. He just killed them.
Yeah.
He killed a total count of 7.
What all has he killed?
2 chickens, 3 pigeons, 1 quail, and a goose.
Okay. And why don't we just kill him?
Because he's beautiful and he's like ancient.
You think he deserves to just go live somewhere else?
Yes.
All right.
Definitely.
Well, good job. Now you don't have to stay up all night.
Yeah.
Good job.